In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle using Brazilian wool. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Meleki. So I made video about hairstyling on a low budget. So if this is something you will love to watch, please hit the subscription button and subscribe. So without further more, this is Brazilian wool, which is Sweeton hair Brazilian wool, and I was making use of only 6, which is 3. It comes in 3 in one pack, series in one pack. So yeah, this is when I was cutting this hair, and when I finish, I think I will be using this tape measure, this tailoring measure, just to give you the accurate length of this hair that I cut to make. You understand? And the length was 35 inches. You get the point? 35 inches. So in this part, I was just fishing the Brazilian wool, which is feathering the Brazilian wool to give me the tip that I needed. So this is when I finished. Time I'm gonna section my hair for the knotless braid to braid my natural hair, and I'm going to make an individual braid. Then I'm going to braid it from knotless. So you see the way I cut it, I take the Brazilian hair from the small strands, then keep going from there. Then I will still add more strands to the hair. Guys, let me say something. The day I was making this hair, I was so confused on what hairstyle should I go with. So when I was just making this hair took me, I think it took me about 3 hours to finish this hair, because I was just so tired. I'm confused on the hairstyle to go about. That is just it. So when I finished, that is it. So in this part, this hair, there is nothing too much serious about this hair. Already I missed some parts on this hair, like I missed some parts. So this is just a quick tutorials, like you can make this hair. Just follow the step by step the way I'm making my own. So yeah, like I said that I missed some parts of this hair. So this is how I'm gonna achieve this look on the tip. So I was just using my comb, take comb, have your take comb, then just brush it, like revise it back, brush it backward, revise. Just go the way I'm just doing it. yeah, this is it. It was just like a ball. Okay, so and there, this is the finished look of this. Oh my goodness, like take a look at your baby girl now. Look at the way I was just laying this hair. Oh my. Oh wait, notice that this hair was just how many dollar? It was not up to $5. So I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay tuned. Also watch my other video and click the subscription button. See you. Bye. I love you all.